Next, level 1. Book page number 113. CBSE 11th CBSE, page number 113. Level 1. Consider example 1. Consider the following set. Consider the following set null. A set of A is 1 and 2. Set of B is 1, 4, 8. Set of C is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Correct symbol using this one, subset or not a subset, any symbol. First question, null set is its answer is null set is subset of every set. Null set is subset of every set. So subset. Second question, A is A dash B. Its answer is not a subset, because 2 belongs to A, but 2 is but 2 is not belongs to B. So A is not belongs to B. So not belongs, not the subset, not a subset of B. Then third sum is A is a subset of C. All elements of A is A are in C. A are in C. All elements 1 and 2. So C also 1 and 2. So all elements of A are in C. So subset of C. Then fourth question is is a subset of C because all element of B are in C. All element of B are in C. B is not equal to C, so B is a subset of C. That's all. Once again, first question, consider the following set, null set. Set of A 1 and 2, B 1 4 8, set of C 1 2 4 6 8. Correct the symbol using set or subset or not a subset. Null set is subset of B. Null set is subset of every set. So null set is subset of B. Second question is A is the not a subset of B because 2 belongs to A but 2 belongs to B. 2 is not belongs to B. So A is not belongs to B, not the subset of B. Third question is A is a subset of C because all elements of A are in C, 1 and 2 and they 1 2 4 6 8. Then fourth question is B is a subset of C. All elements of B are in C. So B is not equal to C, but B is a subset of C. That's all.